What's going on, guys? Decelation, and today we're going to do something a little bit different, but the girlfriend needed wiper blades on her 2016 Subaru Forester, and this is the same process for every 14 to 2018 Foresters as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to install the rear and the front wiper blades, and then also I'll have a link in the description for you to get this set, because this set right here came with all three, so perfect. Alright, so first things first, the rear wiper blade, this, all you have to do, you pull it this way, you just keep rotating it, and it pops right out. That's all you gotta do. Get your new blade in, take the protector off, and then you just reverse the process. You come in, and you rotate it back into the slot. Perfect. New blade is on.
Can you do that again?
So simple. All you gotta do, rotate it in, and it pops right in. There's a little bar. You just slot that into the bar. All right, let's go to the front. So the driver's side one is a little bit longer. So it depends on what type of wiper blades you have on there originally. I believe these are the factory ones. There's a little button right here. You see this? You push that, it's gonna pop this lever, and then you just slide it down off of the hook.
Can you do that again? Because I don't think the button was seen on the video. Your hands are in the way.
So you see this button right here? You push that, it gets this part out the way.
It's dark.
It's fine. And that pops right off. You get the new one. Alright, the new one has kind of the same thing. You got to pull up on this tab right here, and that allows you to put this in here. You put the hook in, slide it on, push that back down. Simple, and we do the same thing on the passenger side. So this one has a different clip. You have two different wiper blades on, honey. You pop that clip off, and then you slide it off. Pull off the protector. See this little button? You pop that button off, pop it up, and that allows us to slide the hook into the slot. You pull forward, pop that clip down, and then you have all your wiper blades changed. All right, simple as that. Thank you guys for watching. I do a little bit of the basic car maintenance, especially on the girlfriend's Forester. But yeah, if you like this type of content, let me know. Hit the like button, comment down below, and if you want to see more of this type of stuff, subscribe. So have a good one, guys. Peace.